Greetings, Mark here. We're going to be looking at how we can use Notepad, simple to create a simple web page. Yes, some of you might not sure or know that it could, but this is what they normally use before all the different VS Code and all of that. So I'm going to guide you through this particular area. Very important. So the first thing you wanted to do is come right down your search bar. You're going to click and you're going to type Notepad. If you notice right here, you can click it or you press enter. So I'm going to actually open it up like that. Very important. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type the different element right here. All right, which the tag, which I'm going to type HTML and I'm going to close it. All right. So let me bring it up so they can actually see it just like that. All right. So I'm going to put the closing tag. All right. Get a little more space. Come like that, slash, there's a HTML and close it. So if you notice, this itself is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Alright, so I click in the middle. Now when you click in the middle, now you're gonna put the head. Just like that, you're gonna close it. I press enter again. So now you're gonna put the closing one, you're gonna put the slash. You're gonna close it. So if you notice, you have the open head and the closing. Alright, so in between it, so I want to put the title. Alright, you're gonna close the title. You're gonna give a little space right there, just like that. We're gonna close it off just like that. Now we're actually getting somewhere. So we're gonna come all the way down and go right behind the head. So what we want to put? We want to put the body right here. So when you put the body right there now, we're gonna close it. We're gonna press enter again. So we're gonna put the closing body. We press enter, get down some more. So we're gonna put the closing body just like that. So remember now, anything that you type right here is what going to show up. But what you put right here, you're going to show up in the topic. Right? So I'm going to type here my first web page. Good. So we can actually backspace, carry it in some more. Some more right here. Good. So after I finish that, right inside here, the body, right here. So we're going to put, that's a simple paragraph. So P stands for paragraph right here. That's the opening one. All right, you're going to actually get the closing one, just like that. So I'm going to type something, say this is how I do it, just like that. Now we're going to save it, and then we're going to open it up into Google Chrome. All right, you're going to come right up to the top here to file, you're going to click, you're going to come all the way here, that says save as. Now when you click on save as, this is what come up. So you're going to put anything for the first name. We're going to put index, then dot HTML. All right, when you come over here, ensure that it's safe on the desktop, that you have easier access, and then click right here and save. Now I'm going to minimize right here. All right, so there you go. So this is it right here. Now I'm going to open it by right click. You notice I'm not going to click on the open. I'm going to come right down here. So open with. All right, if you notice right here, so Google Chrome, I'm going to click on that. All right, you notice right up here, it says my first web page. If you notice right here, this is how I do it. So this is how you can actually do it. If you notice YouTube right here, you can actually click and do whatever. You can actually come right here and select the next tab, just the same. Right? So this is how you actually create a simple basic web page just using the notepad. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.